you can keep pouring some more of the brandy. One sip for you, one sip for the cake. One sip for you, one sip for the cake. Hello, Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef and my team of chefs. What we are doing is we are doing a cake mixing ceremony, and this is a tradition that I got into while I was in Institute of Hotel Management as a student. We used to do in the college. After that, in 5-star hotels, we did it regularly. And very recently, I get invited to the hotels and college hotel management institutes for cake mixing ceremony. This year, I have been to one of the premier hotel management institute in Hyderabad called Shiv Shakti College. The most beautiful thing is, as a student, when I did my hotel management, this principal, Mrs. Yamuna Rangarao, she is the director there, and I get invited as a chief guest. Isn't it beautiful, wonderful, when the principal under whom you studied, and she invites you as a chief guest for cake mixing ceremony. I think I had such an awesome feeling when did that happen, and the moment I went to the college, I did that Indian style of taking the blessing from her, and I really enjoyed. I want you to see me and my principal along with a lot of big wigs in Hyderabad doing this cake mixing ceremony. Not only that, for the Christmas, a lot of students from the college took part, and especially able children were also there for the cake mixing. Of course, money was also there, and today we are going to do our own thing. As a tradition, what they do is they collect all the dry fruits, and then they put in wine, in some fruit juices, vodka, rum, whiskey, brandy, everything. They put alcohol and they soak these dry fruits along with the masalas, spices. So what spices are we using, Manu, today? Clove,
cinnamon, cardamom, Thai ginger.
You can use little garam masala also in this, and your cake will taste fantastic, especially for the Indian flavor. What they do is, after soaking this at least for few days, especially when they have a wedding in the family that year, they make little extra and use it for making even the wedding cake. And here we have this beautifully vareva made by Mani and Kumara, and let's go ahead and pour in the wines. Get the vareva mixed up with all these nuts. The spice powders. Each one of us will pick up our favorite drink. When all the spices fall in there, the mix of that aroma is beautiful. Mix all of them. Make sure that the alcohol content is good so that they preserve for a long time. In next few hours, the entire amount of the drink will be absorbed. Then you can keep pouring some more of the brandy. One sip for you, one sip for the cake. One sip for you, one sip for the cake. We'll play the game for the next few days, and just before Christmas, we're going to make this awesome Christmas cake and the plum cake, and we're going to share it with you guys. Wish you all a very happy festive season.
Vanakkam, Nandri.
Namaste.
Namaskara.